Prepare for takeoff.
Takeoff.
Okay.
From the air, law enforcement can cover more ground and see what they need to see from a safe distance. Drones are now part of St. Louis County Police in the hands of the department's Tactical Operations Unit.
It's a new tool, and it's something that, probably within the last 5 to 7 years has really come on board with agencies across the United States.
Officer Scott Brown says it's nothing to fear.
They're tracking us. They know everything.
Now that's Hollywood.
We're not going to take the drones and we're not just going to fly them down, neighborhood streets, looking in people's windows or backyards. When we bring our drones out, we're there for a specific reason. There's only specific things and details that we're going to be able to utilize our drones for.
You're good right here. Do you want me to zoom in and see what I can see from this distance?
Yeah, go ahead and see what you can see.
Brown and Officer Terrence McCoy simulate examples with the help of fellow officers. In this scenario, an armed and dangerous man is barricaded inside a vehicle. Sometimes it's a building or house. Vehicles are common too, which makes this good training.
From this angle, I have nothing. I do see that the passenger window is down.
Okay.
I can't see any occupants in the vehicle.
All right. All right, go ahead and back me out all the way.
UAV, or unmanned aerial vehicle technology, is becoming more advanced with new software.
Our drone costs around between $35,000 and $38,000, so that's pretty pricey.
Camera quality and features are a top priority for tactical operations.
Just to hear more, if I can see his face, I can see his hands. His right hand appears to be on his knee. Okay. Or sitting on a center console or something like that.
Right hand's a little low, so we're unable to see exactly if there's any weapons inside the car. We'll take it back around, make sure that there's nobody else in the vehicle, and also see if he's got any weapons or anything like that inside.
Driver, turn the vehicle off and throw the keys out the window. Do it now. Reach out of the front window with both hands.
Scenarios played out in this field are just the beginning. St. Louis County Police have 4 of these drones to have an extra set of eyes for a range of operations.
We have a flood come in and we're looking for somebody and we can't get out there quick enough. We can at least get the drone out there to start doing some kind of search until we can get boats out there to get to people.
When used for search and rescue, they can act swiftly with hopefully a better outcome, nighttime and daytime.
And we can do a quick sweep of that area. We can use the camera that has the really high zoom on it, or the camera that has the infrared to pick up any kind of heat signatures.
Like in this example, the officers set the scene again. This time they practice flying the drone to see if they can find a person who is fleeing from police and possibly hiding.
A manhunt in case somebody escapes police custody, or we do have prison escapes here in Missouri.
Well, I'm utilizing the Z30 camera, just the regular camera, so I can see where I'm going, and then Terrence is utilizing the thermal camera, so that way he can start searching around on the ground. Then I've got eyes on exactly what I'm seeing, trees, birds, power lines, whatever it might be. At least I can see exactly what's going on with the flight itself.
I do have the thermal up right now, and I'm picking up any kind of heat signatures on the ground. Right now there are a few hot areas of grass, probably because of the sun, but if there is a body, it'll be a very distinct figure, a silhouette of a human, if he doesn't pick them up first with the others, the Z30 camera, the zoom camera.
The same applications are used to find missing or endangered persons.
Missing people in parks. There have been missing elderly people with dementia, Alzheimer's, missing children. And it looks like we have something lying out there in the field.
In this simulated case of a man running from the law, the camera picked up his heat signature.
Oh yeah. I got a subject down there. See if you can move over top of him just a little bit more.
We've come a long way from, the little small drones that you played with as a kid to now you're flying them at work, and you're able to utilize this to, better serve the public of St. Louis County.
And he expects drones will eventually be used department-wide for investigations such as accident reconstruction and forensic photography at crime scenes.
It's just a broad tool for the whole department to be able to utilize and make everybody's job safer.